bia o mabra bo no pomumbo mu fa kra nanso anam galamse tu a yaka ho nsama ne enipa bi aboye fitadu koma mu a o mante asenti no omujejam na gugu nwura mbasa na kan mo frei abrapo o mentwe mbom hafu mpa mu nyina hwei oniminyamfo kiremi sei yamfa ntu Ghana fo anim sese ya asante mantemu oswafo no na hwe oman Ghana yakwaye ene yansasi mu ne pan yakopode atom yensuom oniminyamfo Emmanuel amakofi bo a wonoma bomba ne wonom saka eye minerals commission fo aso ye beboa ma wonom ahwe galamse fo dwumadi omudi no ma womde mra etim da ye adwuma ene wachi nso wonom gusa mugusu katakata galamse mu na dodo na so enti omesre oman mu ne nyina ntachiri na na mompani ya galamse fo atu ne wonom ama emunamuna etwatwa yakwayem yemfo mu meme enam so manipa bi hwere mo nkwanom ye betimi akata so no hawe no eto etwa ewo mayimum o kirem sei setumi atachire etusa na mompa beboa pa magalamse mu ne eje nimpa nkwa efra mu nsemu no eso etumi ate oniminya for Dr. Frank amakona ekasaye no emu kirem ni.
The issue of illegal mining continues to bedevil our lands, our waters, our water bodies, our forests, among other environmental issues that come up with illegal mining. As I stand here as head of research within the period under review, 23 lives have been lost only because they were going to their farms and fell within pits that were left uncovered by miners within the various areas. As part of the 23 people, only 19 people have been recovered from these pits. The remaining 4 of them have not still been able to find their bodies. These include 11 children whose future has been cut short because someone in his quest for money left a pit uncovered within some of these areas that leads to farmlands, among others. Looking at this problem and with the support of the minister, the national security together with the ministry has started a reclamation effort in order that we will be able to target these uncovered pits that fall within the areas where people actually fall in and drown. I want to thank the minister for supporting us in this regard, and the work is truthfully ongoing. I want to call on corporate institutions gathered here who want to support government in this regard so that we would be able to gradually start reclaiming our lands and be able to protect lives and properties within these areas. I also want to thank the ministry that as part of your effort in supporting us to be able to fight illegal mining, we want to appreciate that you have successfully helped us to move every permanent structure within the region that fell within the forest reserve.
Eni ya wuti ye ono anayo swafo edema deshia wanom ewo asante mante mu ne den do ni minyamfo Dr. Frank amwakwanyene.
Yentwa kasiabone so na PURC for the nsema toja HM say ade ankane abo nso ebetimi ate ewo man Ghana mu se Ghana gas for bom homodin eye adwumade na mfaso omunya no mokosoa na omutimi enya ene de bebo amani ye papa na PURC Executive Secretary ye Dr. Shafik Suleiman ekasaye HM se so mu diska e de she Ghana gas ni ma ebetimi aboa amanyamkane abo anso so no etimi ate na modin semi tudwa e wa bra PURC commissioners and management e call eye industrial tour e wa Ghana gas operational facilities ahodo a eno e wa takrade anomu chemu se eye ade a hwese se sane Ghana gas sikasam e kostru ye pa beboa ye papa na se company no ebo ne homode no mugusua enya mfasode e wo mu so operations akese o mu ye ni ma ebetimi abo aman Ghana nti wo hwese o man mu ye betimi ediska edi ahye Ghana gas nim se ne be ye no so betimi abo na eba economic sector hodo no so wo man Ghana ma omo so atimi ahye mukina.
Government is looking at upgrading their investment. The profits you saw them declare has been indicated. It's an indication of their performance. I mean, over the last 1.5 years, it then means that they've performed so well, and we are giving them credit for that. We are encouraging them to continue under the current CEO, continue to maintain stability, and also continue to also increase or maintain their profits or profitability. Going forward, we are encouraging them to also expand and also look at expanding the activities to cover all the needed sectors of the economy. I'm sure if they keep on investing, it will end up reducing the cost of utility provision. And that's so if Ghana Gas maintains their current work ethics and also maintain the profitability, in the long run, the cost of power will also reduce. So it's for the interest of all Ghanaians that Ghana Gas is operational, Ghana Gas is profitable going forward.
Ene ya uti ye Executive Secretary de ma PURC Dr. Shafik Suleiman.
Yantoa kasebo no so na yemfie ne mfankyere o my Ghana ya piemantemu mechire Eastern Region na hyenkafo a wonom wo epiemantemu eni adwadefo a wonom ewo asantemantemu wo kofurudia ne potemu afa eye Kumasi station honom edi adesere edi ato Ghana mampeni berema oboada John Dramani Mahamenu se omosere na da wonom Municipal Chief Executive MCE edi ma de sha wonom New Jaben South abatu mpesu aso oniminyamfo Ransford Boache otu anamo bia enye Ghana mampeni ebeye nmanim yada ompam no kra adehye ye kiremu a MCE ne nipakuo bia ka bom ewo mensenim na wanamode asase a adwadifo de sutwa ene biaye a eye rolling station a ahyenkafo gina afa apasinyafo kwakwa tenten ne echechi ne benchaya no omodo no makwa mobile telcos ene omo mba modern ma network ibi some of them mass tenten po no nkwesi wanom se be ye adwadifo ne ntumi enya kwankran kudidwa na ahyenkafo nya babi kura nyina na enka ne kirem se enya semukuma kram ewo meme na etwami na eye osana bosme de toso aduonu mienu ewo mfempem mienu aduonu nsia mu a wone mu kirem se ne ahobanmo kuo pa memma kantena mo betiri kutukutu ena wonom edi sa mas tekos mpanifo achi na mukotu am na donko kwa hamache na mukotu yesa mmodea na mode cement akoye kama na makokwisi mas no sebe yombebo no manya network nanso adehya kaze kirem se wo hwe sa po we na yemfansi krofimfin biaya ahyenkafo gina ye adwuma ne biaya enipa didwa ewo apomuden unsunsanso bone a so man mpanifo anwen ho ankonkan na won modwena munkuto yefunu de ombedi ne nankuto ho no manwena o moda akye apomuden be hadwen etinya de omba penene apene kyena krofise ho o motena ho no ye adwuma emra na o ne nsentwerefo kasa na vice chairperson Edema Wisdom Cooperative Union me offer say Alhassan Atemu ekirem say wanom ema wanom abanam sini MCE me offer say Ransford Boache enefuano miensa 3 days eye ultimatum sama madia na mo say madwen ubogura mu oja New Jaben South mensi na so pam kofodua seso enye rolling station won ko no betumi de sama senasi intemo pen honom o meyin fanko wo momode aye oja kire kama asumdwemu ekopie mu wa yadom eya hwede ahimfie edo mankrata akoda ne kaka o masem kire na nase na nei New Japan na na matere nkonya yesere ma da na nada sebre kwaku boatan de akwasi na na woni me hu bi muna ma ho kwan sei ene New Japan sat honom kofodua Kumasi station mo mfa ma tenten besi anom ne ya pomuden enkotra sane mu ana na se da bi woni me ho hwe ne nsanim intemu jonza na ni me ho hwe se ya mo srem si o meyi ma sane nko ma ne nya na adwen so besimpo sana Ghana mampeni openi we no onye ready so beboa wonom aban be yanke ne onim ya onyina dikura
yesi prayer we back kwa ebu okaboma embu I think say me ready say yam community assembly no omo de o say ayoyo ama yakwa assembly ba yeko do assembly no omo hu say de omo ye no enye de me de ne say omo assembly for omo kwa no omo say ade ne ye den enye na MC transport boachi say onu kofobia ne de onu na aban ne di station ida shenza me say John Dramani mama say Richard Ponu pe say transport boachi me say Richard Ponu say enka transport boachi o Eastern Region o moye say transport boachi make me ahwe say yemfa poli embassy station na so oni won adwen papa ya nyame nchade ye ko onu ye de akoto bani omto mu community ye de say de be ba na e bae ana etu ana ma ko koro ho koro amaye hu say any pole o meye say ye den anko botabili no no koro akwa no o ma ma na ya we say o me bi say ye den e wa ha enti ye beda koro say ye ko no ho a waji atu say minim say ohini kasa na say openi dware so ye den asan eno otu ana ma ba say on ti ase enna so wasasi na num tu aka ye say nya ade obeti ase ye de ye mfa mra ye den enhye nsem say ye kwakobu ade no by am 3 days on membe ye ade ni fi ha no mo nkata anwa no so no mo payment boko ye den enhye ho ban so ma ye sa next action ni alasa adamu alias Eastern Regional Alhaji Bruiser say me ko excellence John Dramani mama ho our personal go there mama John who say oba be boy
ene ya oti yi ono na waye vice chairperson na de ma Wisdom Cooperative Union edin adowura Alhassan Atemu ena wote ne nkan na mane boye nsem twire ni ko ntehini kofi obo ena de firi apiemantemu ebesom ye
Yentua Kasiabone so na headmistress at the Agyei Senior High Technical School, Miss Grace Asamani, Akasa, Chemusa, Adjoa Mosra, buying some here dormitories at the Emma and the Memma School for Omonsono Ewo School more sanso, and addition them a betimi abua, Ama Humesian sono etimi akosuye, Omuhia Assembly Horse Sanso na staff Bangalo Sahoduo, and Nobel Boama Disiani and the Chawon Samsono etimi akosuye ewo school mu honom na owie ye ana osan so esra kitchen abefo de ano beboa mo matimi so no aye aduane ewo honom sanso na dining hall school fo le betimi atena se etimi adidi ana ICT lab beboa mo so na etimi aye practicals ahodo omo hia school bus eno so mofra no APA akoye ade wa bonten a ebetimi nso do ede omo akọ na Miss Asamani ade adesrede ade tujwa wa school no edi na 35th anniversary and that team na so celebrating 35 years of holistic secondary and technical education, the role of stakeholders into no any team na that anniversary no mudi ewo school mo honom and also so mo homodin senior mo hia no betimi ayama school no ade akọ nanim ye pa na emo mo for how bebre ma no nam so madisiane ade che ho nsam so no entimi enkosuye no chem kra bangalo se wo honom mienu pe abako assistant head edem on na in charge of academics ono na da ho ana baako akanso senior house mistress ye no head mistress na ye ne bangalo wo so otimi dem na san say eswani ntino omo de honom nso so no food storage honom no mudi nnuane no ekogu into omo sra ban say be yanka bangalos no mesi bi nso emfa ema
So myself, I am in classrooms. I get so cool. I get to know that this is the track. Yes, this is the master. I'm trying to be moving a bit of everything. Let's go to like no second minute. Some of my clients sit down here and results. Saying that they got school in your color. Some of them don't know that because you open up clients. Kissing and giving. Y'all move out with shit. Some of them standing all. So they've been out school in their college. I have to so far, you bangalows. You want to have bangalows. You get that way assistant is that the sound of everything. And I'm going to say house business. I'm going to say now is the jello.
Enia uti headmistress at the Agyei Senior High Technical School Miss Grace Asamani na enuachi ana otitinani at the medjumedie no anso ana bonre hine na nabobie ansa otosumienu eda abaina se ewo dwumedie onu so edi aboa oman Ghana sanso na Ghana Education Service so mo so no eboa sadisua wonsem betimi akoso ewo schools ahodo ni.
This is why our team is so important. Raising perspective of holistic, secondary, and technical education. No, all of stakeholders want us holistic and inclusive learning. It means education that trains the head and heart in the heart. No, the Catholic side here are not only taught students to pass the exams, no, your role is to be disciplined, learn hard, and to protect the good image
DLFM.
No. Finally, to the headmistress, Miss Grace Asamani, and the entire management of this school, the board chairman, indeed your sacrifices and commitment are no go.
Enia uti otitinani de madwumedie no sanso anabonre hine na nabobie ansa otosumienu na ne krakramo ana all students ni bi omo so ekoka homa adwumedie no ekoso efa akwanya no so kasa ye echiremu se omo sra all students omo antimi amani na so omo nkom hu mom no omo so emboa school ni sane ebe ya school ni so bekoso atimi asom mofra ahodo.
Amazing. Very innovative. Take time for some good. you can see your money for a river. So it's quite easy to do. I know the guy to see me. But I don't say, don't say you don't come to say it's so the best to eat the food. Unless you die, yes, shit happen about it. So we know I'm going to extra.
Any wuti ye old student at the ma Ejisu Senior High Technical School na amanibo yen sem choni samo for ibu ati na different sentiment mu ebesomye.
Yantoa kasiyebo no so na yemo nwura mu ewo MPP osono kokroko amanyoku no akache mechire the New Patriotic Party wan mo mpanimfo ne akanifo de sombo de abo Ghana Gold Board adwumaku no na wan mo kire mi say wan mo dwumadi o mu die ne sika akọ a oman Ghana wana wotu galamse ena mo so mutufu magudie nkoma mu eton no sesei oman na bra se obi obeton sika akọ no onkoto no nyina mfa ma Gold Board pe nti amanne galamse fu na to mu hu agu oman Ghana yakwayem ene yensuo mu a wan mutu galamse ni gidigidi anya grokra amaze se oman ya pa ye ho aye hunya senem na wan mu kire mi say wo hwe kwan a Gold Board adwumakuo no efa so eto sika akọ wo mayi mu a tese ya dwen ho a ya pa ye ho aye hunya senem ya dwen ho aye ntiase efiri say kwan ben na abane ne hye pa de to sika akọ no enipa omuto sika akọ no firi omo nchen no womo omutu sika akọ no kwan pa so anase galamse fu ade na aban totoyi tese ni yenim kwan kura wo fa so to tese no emu na ho enti wedi adanse pefe say galamse no ayade a Gold Board na so asena adwuman ekoso gidigidi pam na wanum friends entwerefo nhye mu ne ewo MPP amanyoko no atena akasie mu ewo nkrabo parliament mu asalam down ewo akra ha ana MPP amanyoko no wanom don frefo mechred MPP national organizer nana Henry na Naboache ana wo kirem say Gold Board pepem na yakasai o man tumi ankere kwan ya mo fa stress ka akọ no so mo to free nipa o mutu sika akọ no o ma mo kita tumi krata mo de ye adwuma ana se ni pompo mo to mo sika akọ no mu ni tumi krata mo de ye adwuma ye hu difference bia enti we di adanse pefe say o man Ghana ye nsu a tesi agensemu agensere peteku a ye ntumi emma eninte na yakwa ye nyina sei enani partner ye nyina ye bisibisi basa nyade ahodo eni na ye o man mai ni nyina da Gold Board adwumakoi na so ade hye yase a wode mugusu etu galamsei gidi wo manyim wode mu kirem sei enkopem sei oman Ghana Gold Board adwumakoi no betena se anya hwehwem mapa manya hunu nokura wo mu sei o sika akọ no ye tofri anipa asemesi wonu ma aban ma mutumi krato mutufu magudie kwan paso enkuto na ye ye sika akọ firi o mu nchen de enya de ono mba ya adwende mu kirem se ne ene Ghana Chamber of Mines and afinso member of parliament bi kasetia every sen na wo hwe kwan a Gold Board faso ya adwuma na ya bisibisi basam wo modwumade na mu na honom akwakwa ye opik yenim kwan faso to musika akọ enwuma akase mutu sika akọ ni nyina no dodo na no mutu musika akọ mkoto na mo no monto ma Ghana ni bia enti galamse fo ya ndomo kan na yensuo yi yentimi ante ani wo mayi mu yi
election ye Gold Board ama galamse aya kantantan aya basa Gold Board yo obi o ya galamse ni wu ye galamse ni bia ton go say the ma Gold Board and ama galamse ye timi so ano and the president actually say go everywhere now and now kwa with impunity nkofo a ye galamse eja emu oja be so mo fa asra for kwa ho nine was o mo fa ho in some instances nine was for kwa galamse for the obo eni o mo ko ntoka no mo kwa kopata everywhere galamse agensem ama president now kasa jatu say NDC for penny for na ye galamse Gold Board to me I get ma Gold Board say ko ma na Ghana ni ye na o ma Ghana sepini na ye ko busa wa sama wa ti kwa pai o di diatam now in try with the go Nhyiraba ba omi aso say after ne di anso na ne di a oni ho hwi o kan ye di tro kan ye now Nhyiraba akufuado a wo di tro di go ne so kwa kwaje bribe $40,000 na wo di ene wa ba be ye aban nipa ye bo ho ka
ene wachi na Mr Henry na Naboache eto ne kasa so o de wo kire mi sei emprempren wo hwe adwumaden a dobiko ma se badwam ebo na ekonkane niema ahodo a ahinta oman Ghana chese dom kese no edi hinta omen kululu ene katasese dwumadi ekoso ne dom kuma egusu bogem epa hontoma magana fo nyina hu de ekọ ni sente ne dom kase omoya ndisi amanyukuma eto wono mani ede asi dom kuma no so a ene atende ne adapatwa ekoso anya degwa sebe nsema ye mframa sema no kuranim ne yeka gudom kuma no so na nabi echirem sei aya wano mpa no tini oniminyamfa Alexander afenyo marken dwumadi a wodie ne dom kuma ni nyina no amanyokwo ni nyina techire mpanifo nyina tetie pampem wamo nkoso anka no kurem mogem na Ghana fo hu no kura ekoso mama vitese sei gold board o ma sponsor galamsey fo nti adwuma ne de nya de a Ghana yensuo ne ye pesa ni te na betenne ente china nubono bekoso de atufuma gudie ma Ghana fo ye nyina ese etu enti ekwan ya monam so no manya ya domkono bekoso aka na yade a amanyokwo ni nyina mpanifo etai anamutu a domkuma no eto na chipa
Tumi Kwame Efi, the presidential candidate, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any party leaders said, the entire party, we are fully behind yet Tadom Kumaneti, Jumedio Mudini Yeniso, and some of Busani Yeniso, Omukoswano Muni Sedmano, Nayana Namia said, a year NDC force a Braya Koto Abamoa, Omunya Madubo Bebreo, Mashabegum, no Musayam, Nadutona, and a year of Mahama president, Ghana Yatoma, Yantongana Momo, Omutrifagano Momo. Sasa mumfa sempanko na munkanche yera mahama say yes no Ghana for a penchemu Ghana for a pay and some way no nya no $1.7 billion. It's a huge money in 1 year. In 1 year ye busa hwasama obi tutu ayampia na gold board ye de ba se no Ghana foka ye ma obi tumi no no kwan ton gold ni na o Ghana onu kwanye bibi o Ghana hasi na ye mo ka 1.7 ye de ba be if ye ma 133 billion fakoto gold now buy our bohunka 22 billion. When you be a more so wasai a bonocono, what are you talking about, Mr. Mo?
Any uti ye ono ane dom frefo edema MPP osono kokoko amanyukuno mechred MPP national organizer Henry Nanabwache ena moteni nken na mani boi ya mani boni Emmanuel opoku adusi ena difiri MPP amanyukuno tena kesi makra premantemo ebesumu ye.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa Minister for Labor, Jobs and Employment, Dr. Abdul Hassan, Pepo, Akasa, Chemuse, Yaban 24-hour economy policy, no modiabano, and maybe more Enkasa, so more person, Munya, Juma Fitiano Pan, Cosisa, dear betching. Nemo may adio more bomber dear her say, Ghana Sika, some subet me across you, no crampono, also saying, I have 3 people, 1 job no. Naya Labor Minister, Ekasa, and Chemuse, my Ghana mo dwuma ko bebre na mo ye dwuma 24 hours enu ntino aban heso betimi aboasa ne be ye obetre sa dwuma die animu na eye mmabunu nso no etimi enya adwuma etimi aye no ne nsem trofo etwetwe nkomo ana o kyeremu se ade aban no ehye private sector ne mu kina sa ne be ye omusu dwumadie no nso no ebetimi akwani no omusu etimi asomasen na dwumadi ahodo nso so omusu bedi omudwuma no ekoba ahoban bo ho nsem sanyina mu kane ho nsem ne ade nyina na aban no ebetimi asomasen anu nti ana 24-hour economy no omode eba.
Economy is a symbolic policy that allows government institutions, private institutions to respond to the demand and the policy direction to increase their work input and then therefore output. So to give it a definition, it is part of the definition to talk about 1 in 3, but it's bigger than that. The bigger portion of it is to energize the private sector to work 24 hours. It's not that simplistic that we want to see people working every day. So if a minister comes, another minister should come. And that's a very simplistic way of looking at it. It's bigger than that. It is a redefinition of our whole economy. It's to give economy more energy and direction, and it is to make sure that those who are producing should produce more. And I'll advise the opposition to study the concept more closely so they don't run it up to meaning everybody work 3 in 1.
Nhyiraba Minister for Labor, Jobs and Employment, Dr. Abdul Hassan.
Yantoa Kasiyabon Swe na yenyina mu Chief Executive Officer Edema Willing Way Recovery and Rehabilitation Center, Mrs. Lydia Abena Menu Adofo. Oda desre ediato o my Ghana. Abatan ena hwefo anim say. Obesere mu ada. Emradu say mba modi aye masede ba pepe na maboa se be ya okun kase a wonu maswai ekon ede afa ya mofra ne enubone omoto mutentan a omanum nubone saa mu gina hono mana kwabrane eda sese bia boa ponche no ye betumi aboa na so etumi atem na odesade to dwamra converse dwumadi a Divine Healers Church eno no ewo Jackson etodwa Jackson Park kofuludua opiemante mu ena me maame Lydia abana menu atofodins asemi de tudwa na wo kire me say obesra ba time pi wono mugusu bu adwumaden kasa etufo kokomia pi wewure gato sum efefe mebu na sabe wono maye drug addict jeze nuboni ewura mu nupadua mu a kobere gina wa yetetriti na woda na wotonko saa no omobo omopa ne santi ade na hye firifie inti abatan fo mo humfanyim mumma mode na modada mofra no na muntu mu fuma ni krotu ya wisi ani akire pam bebia obapie kɔ wonnim woba danfo abrabɔ wonnim na batan tifie na woba na kɔ no wa kɔ no nim no bɔne da ate na abrabɔ nyina yebasa inti obesere ebra so ko kase a wono mo kɔ no abatan beta akire na boase be ya saa okon kase abeto o maga na so na mabunu pi na ase no ohawe no eto betumi atwa wode nsem sei
First of all, parents in Bibri are failing to do the right thing. Mekan is saying because of the stressful situation you find yourself in, as at now, many parents in Bibri Ankasa was stressed also. And it's very difficult for them, especially single mothers. It's very difficult for them to come there to bring their children closer to them. You are sorry for no kono aba anymore. These are some of the causes. Lack of parental supervision. It is our for na wa manani anko ne ba ho yia. Na ojeja ne ba ni mu a etumima otumi kono enubone. Broken homes. Our jaye papatia mamitia and mankwala ni stranded. Omoka middle and they don't know baby ombe to me akunya shelter from. It's broken homes and so you're one of the major factors are in the bone and eba. Ebium losses. And I say, okay, losses. Say obi eye ejapade bi na nani daso na all of a sudden e free nsa eno nye ma youth no eye man penifo no peni bi wo ho a na ono ankasa wabobra wakoje aban besi abeye bibi na all of a sudden ade krono eja tom anase bank di ni sika ko senyame ampata no adane korinsani
eba ne sa na ka pa eno wachi ana Mrs. Lydia abana menu atofo esan kasa na wochire mu sei yamfa nto Ghanafo anim sei na so ene gusu bu adwumaden mekire Willing Way Recovery and Rehabilitation Center no won so abu adwumaden ahwe na emebu na hodo ne wonu matu omo aguru montene so na gatom na mo hyehye enubani na bonsamta bokobane ano ahomache anadwo dasiem obenom saa ogina ho no ma asa akokọ a nkokọ yade aka no otonku saa emmoa mofre da chekura enti obesere wonu munkuto ntumi ku okwintu ase yeda enti ombesere abatan manim yada momfa mo humfa nyim na ha okasi abeto ye mofre yi ko mu no ye nyina ye moane ye nwai na se ba kofo wura dureku saa na twidi ya mpon yankopon sa ntumi nkata yankopon ba kofo nsa ntumi nkata yankopon ni enti obesere ye nyina ye nta akire na obi an fam de ne ye mo asabe ye mofre ne wonom ato enuboni mutentan no ye betumi atwe wonom e de afire ho
and the Willing Way Recovery and Rehabilitation Center called Divine Healers Chapel. Hey, yeah. Okay, so they are having a convention in Koforidia. Enti omoto nsafre say yeni omo meka enuboni ho asem. I think of late we have been reaching out to the youth alone. Your ghettos, your various communities to create awareness. By this time around, you perceive focus more on the parents because bibia best start from home. Enti you perceive any parent edin komo more send be ya almost be your more family and your man getting worse na MEP facility enti ene se who you say you could decide medina we want the parent to know more about their drug addiction, the consequences, the causes and the treatment send be ya omubetumi aboa na enkwala no emedru aso ya
ene ya wuti ye ono ana waye kofale bai mechira Chief Executive Officer Edema Willing Way Recovery and Rehabilitation Center Mrs. Lydia abana menu atofo ena wote ne nkan ene ochina abaya ba ko ono nso wadi amanfo achi ene agatu ahodo a wakoro no nyasem ketwa ene ntampe wa hye no bone ahodo akobrane no ma ogina no wotonku no wafa mu pa ono so kire mi so besere Ghanafo titiri ne mebu no sa o ma ho kwan ma ukonum no bone na otom ntentan a enye obi na ayewu eye wolo wala nti osere mo da ono akomu no wamfa ntotota da wabre papa na Nyankopon adom ene ye maame chief executive officer Edema Willing Way Recovery and Rehabilitation Center aboa na ne waje ne ho a nka sa minisabi ko wadane kwakuo bi kura nti osere mo montwe mo finu bono na mo amada kura.
What I want to say to young youths, no, maybe sometimes you feel like pressure be another. So obey Adjoa Agyei when you be a photo a government spawn found meka asema ye mara ho mu pan say obe say obi ewu na oda ho na oda kwan ho na cash for kra bebe fa ne so. I say no friends emergency be na nebusa phone pump is on baby because some part of the world now o be yet say aboa intimate premature say any stress feel stress in your head feel pressure and it's missing suppression if you busa for no corona form kasa so busa na person no kasa talk to them release that face it main jam and then say oh mama I can say na why say me kwa boy say me friends offense no omo ni nyansa say na also ni nyansa na and then say then couple now you still run back to your family because they're still your family but don't ever try say oh just cigarettes they escape reality because it's will catch up with you.
And reality ne de udwane kura nwane eni ya utie me wofa ase ba ko ono no bani wanum bi pen to mu tentan na Nyankopon atom waje ne ho na ode afutu ema oman Ghana emebu no nom yenyina wesu na yanken kan madwenkyire ni bi ne yemfa nsom ewo kasebo no so na yenkopie mu Facebook no so Ghana for de abana Sandra beka de abana so ma ya ho wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa or here life edi free tema free zone testing news papa uja wo mu no de abai or say greetings to Mrs. Presra Fusu Odoblo ni papa bi our queen of the land much love to her in fact wafa I really love her so much may God continue to bless and protect her mate obekwa so aye sade ama wate me wafa asia bi shira na me wafa so tell you edu di aba no wo so ma ya ho wafa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa here live edifu awutu breku dear news on Apple bam keep it up the good work Lumba super everywhere acheho ena me wafa se tell you edu edi aba awiai na asante Emmanuel di aba no so ma ya ho dear news no here live edifu Accra Medical Center no se Nhyiraba long term power yes I did senior I did pa I say good job PR for you guys me so mejo so PR champion na me wafa se Kofi Parliament di aba no say Ghana chiri guho Ghana chi guho pa na Ghana money ni de politicians they chop Ghana money politicians they chop am oh omu chop no nyafu sa wa hey the news o see the news ni de here live the free agro become up na mo fast Kofi Parliament de aba na dole ya je de aba no say o my house Sammy B no here live the free Christian village Achimota the news in fact jedda to say kra nyezi kra no de abai solofu ni solofu free drobia nkatem na mo fa se dole ya je de aba mete won ka che ma fe opa se me ho kira kwana na dwempan no di asempa the second aba na say please when will you join the live share one more dia me share kasebo ne mu da ho na wo de aba na obeda samo de aba na say taxi driver near from Tema New Town good afternoon wa Sammy B na Adjoa Agyei Sikapa what live on the text ni mo in fact mo da ho kasebo ni mo de oni passengers ni na wie no mutie kasebo na in fact nya sem kuma kwaro de nche kasebo mo ten edemon no ankasa ne wife ya amagana na fin so and the senior brother Dennis Abrakwa and efin so na busuafo nyina cheche mo nyina wiai enti we ya me wafa se opera sa taxi driver Tema New Town and ode na dwenkyire edi eba ya Kofi afibade awoda bia be ya monitor ne ensoro so ya time no kopa na Adjoa Siriki wana pamfo maji radio no me adwumaden som Ghana fo na awoda we ya kwade ama Apostle Dr. John Kwesi asma we area head edema CAC asafo no CAC International new tafo ene wowo may you live fulfilled life and your days be filled with joy and laughter from Calvin Siao enti papa we friwa wade nyina Calvin san o sese mu awoda pa enkwatenten ene wonyini kire nene Nyankopon mangosra ne yedu no nkoso amu ahode a obekoso de na safo ani so happy birthday to you once again Apostle Dr. John Kwesi asma we area head edema CAC International church ewo new tafo nyame hye no awoda no onye no soronko next awoda no ekode ama me wofa se ne den ede Kwadwo Sammy dako ono apem eye akuapem not constituency MPP communication director no na yankopon twidi ampon ede afe ba ko de aka ne fie ho a wonya ne kese pa no pagya ne fra do mu o ma ne kwatente ne onyini kire na komesa bi sedi twidi ampon yankopon onye emfama so happy birthday to you senior man Kwadwo Sammy dako akuapem not constituency MPP communication director senior ya mention wa woda no onye ne sonkokwa DJ afe ba ne dia wodai epa yem ne kwa de ama ya mani boni otonkra ama DLFM 106.9 ewo teman ne potem oya me wafa ase ne den ede Benjamin Nana Ewuku Junior me wafa ase ne twidi ampon Yankopon besa yadom ede afe ba ko aka ne fe ne se aboa bone ne ho ahom tributam ne nsamone ye di ne fie ha nyina chi ne se afi ba bepia kwaginani tele ba kwaginani wo baabi on ne do omokro ye hyenkani no oya ade ye pa wasan yaman yanamusini ewotema ene twidi ampon Yankopon de afe ba ko aka me wafa ase Benjamin Nana Ewuku Junior afe ho a nyame hia no wate na onye osoro kokwa tente na onyini kire na DLFM adwumakuo nyina esre ediamo happy birthday to you once again Benjamin Nana Ewuku Junior nyame hia opinu a woda no onye ne soronko kasebo ne ye de asi musemufo ne ye miss mebera ntwe ho fedu na se mu ma yen champion tele adwumawura ede apm wo Facebook NF yiti makasebo no wenya bi ehweye DJ Zigibi echinchim kasefire mfuma de sum ya wiai sansana mo fa asama akese ebo ye ho ban se suma kwa hene ofia ma tumi bi anye yesu tumi kura bi okura akenkafo ye penu dia meje so ye wofa osi ade yo de wa at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma wutedin ane bantwere bona na otafiri jamene mo fa aseba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yema mu nyina mo ane tia ade hye na Adjoa siriki na pamfo omo de dia wadwumadie no ene eto aso mo
midimafo pokwase mayira